Hello. Today I'm going to walk you through setting up an Alfa AWUS036NHA USB network adapter on Windows 10, but we're going to be using TP-Link drivers instead of the default Atheros drivers that Windows detects. I found that those drivers tend to be unstable and are particularly unstable when I'm running Kali Linux in a VM. Let's get started. First we'll open Device Manager. I'm going to plug in the Alfa USB interface and we'll see it show up here. Now let's go to my Kali Linux VM. I just want to show you what happens when I try to add the Alfa card. As you'll see, as soon as I click on it, we get an error message from Windows saying it's not recognized. And if we go look in Device Manager, we can see it doesn't show up there anymore. Alright, so let's go install the TP-Link drivers. I'm going to open a browser and paste in the URL. I've also included this link in the description below so it's easier for you to copy and paste into your browser. It's downloading. Once it downloads, we'll click on it to open it in the Downloads folder. And then we will extract the zip file. There it goes. Once we do that, we'll double click on Setup. Click Next. And here I need to plug in the Alfa card again. I had unplugged it. If you haven't unplugged it and it's there, you shouldn't get that message, so you can just continue. You can see it's there now. So we'll go ahead and continue. We only need to install the driver, not all the utilities, so just click on Install Driver Only. Click Next and Install. When it's finished, we'll go back to Device Manager, and now we can see it's listed there as TP-Link Wireless USB Adapter. We'll hit Finish. And now let's go back to the Kali VM. Let's add it again. You'll notice that it still shows up as Atheros in Linux because that's how it recognizes it. And everything went smoothly this time. We'll open a terminal, do a quick iwconfig, and we can see that the interface is there. I hope this has been helpful, and good luck getting your adapter installed.